Hey, what's up YouTube? Back again with a Makeskyblue MPPT Charge Controller. So far so good. It's working. It's not breaking a sweat. It's always cold. I have one 200 watt panel and one 12 volt battery hooked up. The menu is pretty easy. It's not too hard. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to get used to it. It came with directions, but they're like Chinese directions. It wasn't too bad, but it took me about 15 minutes to just get the hang of it, to go through the menu and everything. But yeah, it's definitely working pretty well. You know, for the price, it isn't bad. And I did purchase this through a dealer in Oklahoma, and he services these too. But I seen a lot of people talking about it on YouTube, so I figured, hey, try it out. I was a little skeptical at first because it was a low price, but so far so good, man. The fan comes on, of course, when it gets warm, but it's cold. Whenever you hook these up, you always want to make sure you hook your battery in first, and then your solar. And then when you disconnect this, you always want to disconnect your solar first and then the battery. Just so you guys know. But it's pretty cool because you do have you know, two outputs for the battery. So you got two there, two negative and two positive out for the battery, so you can hook up another cable out from here, I guess, to another battery, I assume. I'm not sure. I'm new to this, so I really don't know too much. And you can run two panels in here because you have, see, two positive and two negative. But the only thing I didn't like about this controller is that the input, the ports, the terminals, they're kind of small. So if you use 10 gauge, it's a little tight. You got to trim it a little bit to get it to fit. But 12 gauge, the smaller one will work fine. It'll go right in. That's the only thing I didn't like about that, was the terminals were a little small. But so far so good, man. But I'll keep you guys posted. I'm going to do a long-term review on this. I'm going to hook up a second panel. Right now I have one 200 watt panel and one 12 volt battery, lead acid battery. And next week I'll have another 200 watt panel, so a total of 400 watts with a second 12 volt battery. I'm just going to run them parallel. I'm going to keep it at 12 volts. I'm not going to run a 48 or higher voltage, so I'm just going to keep it at 12 volts. But yeah, man, so far so good. And so like and subscribe, and I'll keep you posted on other stuff. I also do other videos of all kinds of randomness stuff. But I'll catch you later.